We all love our astronomy equipment, especially if it's something we have been saving up for a long time and then finally get to buy it. As soon as we get it, the first instinct, at least for me, is to make sure that everything stays in this perfect new condition for as long as possible. I do this in two ways. First, I like to make sure that everything is stored safely when not in use. And second, I like to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Today, I would like to focus on the second point, namely cleaning your astronomy equipment. And here I would like to focus on cleaning eyepieces. Hi, I'm Bogdan Damian and welcome to Video Observatory. If you're new to my channel, I like to talk about astronomy equipment. So if you're looking for this type of information, then hit that like button and subscribe. If you already are familiar with my videos and like them, but haven't subscribed yet, then maybe consider doing so you don't miss out on new content. The more you use your equipment, the more dust, grease, skin flakes, hairs and other foreign particles collect on the surfaces of your telescope, eyepieces, telescope accessories. And by cleaning these once in a while, you will not only keep your equipment in good shape for years, but in some situations you can also improve the views of the night sky a bit. Eyepieces are probably the most susceptible to dirt and staining from skin oils, because our hands and eyelashes are always touching the eyepiece housing and the lenses. Even if you're extra careful, you won't be able to avoid the lenses getting dirty over time. So cleaning them becomes a must. For this, you will need the following items. You will need an air blower, a soft cleaning brush, isopropyl alcohol or special cleaning solution for lenses, a cotton Q-tip or special lens cleaning swabs, and a fine microfiber cloth like the ones used for cleaning glasses. There are special lens cleaning sets on Amazon that include all these items. So if you can, then get such a cleaning kit. For $20, it's totally worth it. Step 1 is to use the air blower and cleaning brush if you got the cleaning set, in order to get rid of any solid foreign objects such as sand or dust grains that might be on the surface of the lens. Take your time, as this step is very important, as any solid object left behind will definitely scratch the lens during the next cleaning steps. Step 2 is to dip the Q-tip or the cleaning swab in alcohol. I use cleaning alcohol, but you can use a special cleaning solution as well. If you use a Q-tip, then before you start, pull the cotton tip a bit so that it's soft and fluffy. This will allow you to clean a bigger area more easily. Now dip it in alcohol or the cleaning solution you're using. You don't want it to be dripping with alcohol, just moisten it a bit. Then apply the Q-tip to the lens and with light pressure, clean the lens with small circle movements. Apply only light pressure and don't rub the Q-tip on the lens for too long. A couple of passes with the Q-tip to dissolve the oils and the soft dirt particles is enough. The anti-reflective coatings on eyepieces are durable enough so that cleaning alcohol and other cleaning solutions aren't going to damage them, so don't worry. Step 3. Immediately after the wet cleaning, you start with the dry cleaning. For this, you don't want the alcohol to completely evaporate before drying up the lens. Here you will need a clean and dry microfiber cloth. Apply light pressure, dry up the remaining alcohol and polish the lens. If swear marks are still visible, then moisten up the lens again and then try it again. Now this is important. Avoid the following things. First, and I mentioned this before, try not to leave any solid foreign objects on the lens after you use the air blower and the cleaning brush, because in the next cleaning step, these will definitely scratch the lens. So better use the air blower and the cleaning brush a couple of more times just to make sure. And secondly, try avoiding using too much cleaning solution, as it dissolves the oils on the lens surface. The whole mixture is going to seep in between the lenses and stain them from the inside, and you won't be able to clean them afterwards. After cleaning the lenses of the eyepiece, you can clean the housing as well. Get yourself a cotton ball and dip it in the cleaning solution, and then gently rub the surfaces of the eyepiece, including the eye cup. Then dry everything up with a microfiber cloth. Now, if you want to clean other items as well, such as a finder scope or a filter, then you can use the same items and follow the same steps I mentioned earlier. It will work. If the cleaning surfaces get bigger, then you can use a cotton ball instead of a Q-tip, and it will work just well. So this is it for this tutorial. Now I'm curious, how often do you guys clean your eyepieces? In my case, I have long eyelashes and I need to clean my eyepieces every 3 to 4 viewing sessions. Alright, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or feedback, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching and catch you guys next time.